Hi, I'm Cheers. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll share with you on how to clean the blender, Instant Ace Nova blender that I got from Sam's Club. So I didn't use it yet. I unboxed it. You can check that on my other video. And this is the picture. You are not to wash it in the sink or in the dishwasher because the bottom has an electrical part in there, so you can see. So you clean it with the bottom here. It's just clean. So before we do that, we'll put water. So make sure it's aligned. It has an arrow in here, and the other parts has an arrow too. So they have to align. So once that aligns, we'll open the lid. Push it there. To the right, and then it'll pop open. And there's a measurement here, guys. So we put 32 ounces or 1000 ml of water. Make sure you use hot water. Just be careful. 32 ounces. And dish soap 1, 2. Put that in there. And they have this stumper. When you have stubborn food on the side, you can just brush this. So that's the use of it. So after that, we close the lid and secure it. Make sure it's closed, and we'll plug it in. So this is it. When you plug them in, the off button will come on. So after that, we hit the clean. Then we'll wait. It's my first time to do cleaning this one, so we'll check. It says here 48. Start or pause. Restart, pause, clean. I know. I hit start. You have to hit. So now it says end. So you have to cancel. First we hit clean, then start, then when it's end you have to cancel. So it says off. Then we have to get this off the base and discard the water to the sink. See, there's a lot of bubbles in there. I put water in there, try to get the bubbles, and kind of shake it. This is how you clean the instant blender. Is Nova blender. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and style. And do not forget to hit that bell button to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you.